Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Captain America holding his shield. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. Hope you guys like this little design for Captain America that I did. So to begin, we're going to draw in the eye socket area first. So we just draw in 2 lines on the bottom. So that's going to be the bottom of the mask on the eye area. And then from here, we just go up, and this side, and then on the side, just kind of go out a little bit more. Okay, so once we have this, start from the middle, go up, so that's gonna be almost like the eyebrow. Slant up and then come back down and close it off. It's a little bit of a tricky shape, but hopefully it's not too bad. Alright, so from here we're gonna fill in the rest of the head shape first, and then we'll add in the details on the inside. So we're gonna come out to the side right here. This will be the side of the head. Just draw almost like 2 lines on the sides. Alright, and then from the side of the head, we're going to go up. Let's draw a huge dome shape. So this will be the top of the head. Let's go all the way around. And then we're going to continue on to the bottom. kind of bracket in and then close this off. So this will be the chin. All right, I know it looks a little bit strange right now. So now we're gonna draw the inside right here. Just one big curve side to side. And then to finish off the mask shape, just come down. Okay, so now that we have the mask, let's go ahead and add in the eyes and the mouth. So for his eyes, just one big curve on the top first. And then come down. So we're almost drawing like a little leaf shape. Just kind of round it out. And then for the eyeballs inside, just a half circle touching the top. And then on the inside here, I'm going to add one little circle right on the top. That's going to be my highlight, and I'm going to shade around it. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then for his mouth, I'm just going to give him a big smile or grin. So one line first, and then again, just round off the bottom. And then for his teeth, we just draw one line across. Okay, and then to finish off the head right here, just come to the side. For the ear, just one little bracket. Some details on the mask. From this corner, we'll just go up with a slant. Okay, and then now for the big letter A, I'm going to start on the top. Just one line across. Slant down on the outside toward this. Okay, so just come in. We'll try to make things symmetrical. Slant up. Same slant as the one on the outside, and then close this off. And then for the inside here, smaller line just like that, and then we're gonna slant up all the way. That's gonna give us the bubble letter A. All right, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So we're gonna have him holding the big shield right here. So to draw that, we're gonna start kind of the armpit area right here first. Just draw two lines coming down. Then now I'm gonna extend this on one side. We'll come across. This will be the top of the belt. I'm gonna stop a little bit short right here. And then now I'm gonna draw in the shield. So this will be the halfway point of the shield. So this will be right in the middle. I'm just gonna draw in just one big, kind of like an egg shape. I know this part's a little bit tricky. And then once you have this, I'm just gonna continue onto the bottom. Pretty much the same curve as this, just opposite. Okay, so that's the shield, and then whatever space you have here, we just close that off. And then we can quickly finish this. This will be the shoulder. For the arm, we'll just curve that in. Okay, so let's see. Let's draw in the belt right here. So this part's easy. We'll just extend it. And then the belt buckle is gonna be right there, right in the middle. All right, so now let's draw in his arms. We'll start on this side. Shoulder, curve down. Come down this way, and then this part's gonna go up. So that's gonna be the upper arm, and then now for the lower arm, come down. I'm just gonna stop there first. It's gonna be holding a fist. So right here, I'm gonna draw his thumb. Okay, so just one curve and a line, and then now I'm gonna extend this on the bottom. On the top here, curve out right around this line right here. And then whatever space you have here, we'll close that off. And then to divide up the fingers, I'm just gonna add in a couple of curves like this. All right, and then let's see. Let's go ahead and add in the details right here. Let's give him some armor. For the shoulder, I'm just gonna add in two lines. And then this part right here, He's got a shoulder belt. So just 2 curve. And then on the bottom right here, here's the middle. I'm just gonna curve out on each side. And this part's gonna be hitting the shoe. And then for the stripes, I'm gonna start with 1 in the center. Let me shade this in so it's a little bit clearer. Okay, so once you have the middle one, just come out to the side here. Let's draw 1 more. And then we'll come right here. So this one's gonna be right behind the shoe. All right, and let's see the star. Let's add in the details later. Let's finish up the legs first, and then we'll come back up here. All right, so then for the legs, right in the middle, let's draw 1 little curve like this first. On the outside right here, it's gonna be a thigh. On the inside, okay. Now on this side, we won't be able to see this part, but we can draw the inside right here. Okay, so now let's come down. Come down slightly and then just close this off first. Same thing here. And this one's gonna be right around here. So now for his boot, come down here, stop a little bit short. Right here, just 1 big curve going out and then close that off. Inside right here, extend this line to make it a little bit more 3-dimensional. All right, same thing here. Come down, stop short, curve out. Same thing here, continue with this line. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the boot right here. All right, so now that we've drawn in the overall shape, now we're just gonna go in and add in all the little cool little details. All right, and then for the little knee pads right here, just start in the corner, draw a line like this, and then same thing here on the bottom. Start here. This one is, again, it's a little bit tricky because it's gonna be blocked by the shoe. Okay, right here, let's draw 1 line. And then 2 lines going out. All right, so let's come back up here. Let's draw in the star. For the star, just come right to the center, right underneath the chin there. Just 1 little corner first. And then we're gonna go out for the sides. Come in. Stars are always a little bit tricky here. Okay, and then or we can start right in the middle right here, come down, draw 2 angles like this first, and then just connect these. It's a lot of different ways to draw it. But yeah, it's always a little bit tricky with these stars. Okay, and then now for the shield, and this part, we're gonna start right in the center right here. Okay, come to the middle. Just put a point there, and then now I'm gonna draw an egg shape, pretty much the same as this, but it's gonna be much smaller. Okay, so curve up, curve down, so it's gonna go all the way to the sides. All right, so we're gonna draw 1 more line here. So from here, come to the center, and this one's gonna go all the way around here to the edge. So it's gonna be really tight right here. And the same thing here, just follow this curve on the bottom. Okay, so it looks a little bit more 3-dimensional this way. Okay, and then for the star, this one's a little bit easier. Let's draw it this way. So right in the center, make a little point, and then straight up, angle down, and then this one too is gonna go out. So now that you have that little shape there, just drawing these lines on the outside and just kind of connect them. One more. Alright, so that is it for this Captain America. Hope you guys like this little drawing, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.